It's Tuesday the 24th. I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The headlines today are that hard Brexit returns and fear hits sterling. The dollar forms a base as economic reality remains supportive and the euro awaits the ECB meeting. So no deal Brexit is seen as the worst case scenario for the pound. Fear is mounting that Theresa May's proposals are not gaining enough traction, but she can't offer any further concessions and expect to remain in power as her party is split and indeed firmly entrenched into Brexiteers and Remainers. Yesterday we saw Michel Barnier say that the amended Chequers agreement had some constructive elements, but many questions remained. And meanwhile, Dominic Raab started his new role as the new Brexit minister on the offensive, saying that no deal Brexit will mean the UK immediately cease EU contributions. So there. Sterling resumed its path lower yesterday. Traders are seeing a 130 level against the dollar as a firm line in the sand, below which we may see any weakness accelerate. But for now, there's a little bit of strength remaining and cable closed at 131. Regardless of what Trump may want in the US, the primary dollar driver will remain the Fed's monetary policy decisions. Apart from Canada, the US is the only major economy that is consistently hiking rates, and the FOMC indeed meet again next week. It's considered too early at the moment for the next rate hike, so focus there will be very much on the September meeting. The dollar index, meanwhile, it always provides a gauge of strength by filtering out any individual currency volatility. It struggled over the past few weeks to hit that resistance, firm resistance at 95.25. Yesterday it closed slightly higher, closing in on that. We touched 94.60. And meanwhile, the ECB is unlikely to see anything more than confirmation of the current dovish policies. The Eurozone economy is growing comfortably at around 2.5%, and the euro remains reactive, mostly to the dollar, and indeed the euro dollar yesterday closed slightly down at 116.90. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, please. Otherwise, I'll see you again tomorrow.